Text paragraph print function Python program examples created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Invoke 3 single quote marks at the beginning of a long text paragraph and at the end of a long text paragraph. Notice how the text paragraph layout stays the way you want it. You see exactly what you get at execution runtime. Write as much text as you please without having to invoke the backslash n or the backslash to create hard returns in print functions. You can use variables as well inside print functions that will create the same exact text paragraph layout as shown in the next Python program example. Note, you must run the program from the operating system output screen by double-clicking the Python program file itself. Invoke operating system text colors to create colored text. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2 legs.